on a feeling.
Look at my jar opener.
There's no mercy.
You're high, I'm believing.
This thing's been broken since I got it. Like, literally, it runs no matter what. It's really fucking annoying. Come on, jar opener. There we go.
Distract him! Oh my. Open your jar! Just jar! A jar! A jar!
Oh, the jar. I'm using a jar opener.
A jar!
The magnificent. I'm just holding this up for chat, and it's gonna scare me when it opens.
Hello.
What? You got time. You got time.
Hello.
Go. Yay!
Oh, you did it! Oh, cool. I just scared myself with this fucking jar opener.
Oh no, it
successfully evaded me around the exit gates.
Okay,
Also,
so
I also
luckily,
was talking lots too.
my fucking trash can is nice and empty for me to throw up
Whatever,
into.
it's all good though.
Okay.
I mean,
This smells
I'm
so
watching your stream,
fucking
I'm not gonna
bad.
hit next.
I mean,
Wait, did you drink it yet?
no, I'm pouring it out.
Oh, that
There's
looks
chunks.
ew. Why is it so white?
White? This is what pickle juice looks like.
No, like the pickles look white.
What? They do look pretty white. I mean, this is off-brand of off-brand of off-brand.
Dude.
hey, well, I mean, maybe it's like human skin. Maybe if they don't get exposed to sunlight a lot, they start to go pale.
Maybe it's different in the States. I've never seen Oh, you've never seen a jar opener? Well, for old people like me, yeah, jar opener. It scared the piss out of me, actually. But yeah, no, I have to use this all the time because sometimes I'm home alone and I'm mid-cooking and I need one thing to finish the thing and it's stupid as fuck. Yeah, anyway, jar opener. No pickle shamming. What? Hair sweater likes pickles? Well, I fucking hate pickles and I have hot chocolate to wash this down with, which is a disgusting combination on its own. Yeah, some strawberries look white. They start white. Can you smell it?
Did we lose someone? Who did we lose?
No,
Leslie?
Oh yeah,
No, I'm
21st
still
said
here.
it was LG.
Oh yeah,
Cat
that's
Lord.
right.
Of course you like pickles, Cat Lord. Can I cheat and hold my nose?
Sure, go for it.
if it helps to not smell it, yeah.
Still wouldn't drink the juice. I think okay. If I hadn't have been throwing up, not last night but the night before, I wouldn't cheat, but I'd be throwing up, so I'm gonna cheat. Why did I
I'm just
say I
still
would
watching
do
it
this?
delayed.
I don't know why I said
my
I'd
God.
do this, man. Oh my god. Why did I say
Well, maybe because you wanted to make yourself suffer, so that way other people could get entertained and shit.
I wanted a really short
and maybe also
'cause I'm
push your
poor.
boundaries.
At least it's not olives. At least it's not bean boozled. It could have been worse.
Okay, this is much
Yeah,
better
Bean
with my
Boozled.
nose closed. I'm not opening my nose.
Oh.
How's it taste?
Oh my god,
Oh,
with the chocolate
Lord.
afterwards! Why did I choose chocolate? I'm drinking hot chocolate and that was absolutely disgusting.
What a reaction. Holy shoot. Are you okay?
Disgusting.
Yeah, okay.
My eyes are tearing up. Oh my god.
Is it that sour? Like, or is it like wasabi?
I love wasabi.
Yeah.
I'll eat wasabi.
I hate
I should do
wasabi.
that next week. I'll eat wasabi.
Eat two bowls
No,
of
I
wasabi.
just I
God,
hate vinegar.
Carl, you
I
started
hate pickles.
something.
Oh, no.
That was absolutely disgusting. Thank you so much. I'd rather drink wasabi.
What?
Yeah, me fucking too. Yeah, this is hot chocolate
What?
because I'm a child. That was disgusting.
Well, I mean, I don't fucking like coffee, so I mean, it's like hot
I don't drink
chocolate's
coffee
not-
either.
I don't really like
I've just
coffee
started to eat
either.
drink coffee.
That's what I should
No?
do next week. Okay, should I do wasabi next week or coffee?
Both.
Do horseradish.
I love
That's-
horseradish. You know
Or
what?
Marmite.
Okay.
What? Really?
No,
I'll do that.